Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Moments with Dami, and today's video I'm going to show you how I actually installed this wallpaper on my wall. I do hope you guys would enjoy it. Trust me, it wasn't so easy, but I think I tried for the first time. So someone should celebrate me, or rather I choose to celebrate myself. Alright, welcome back once again. And so yeah, I'm actually showing you the wallpaper I installed. That's the gum I use, Top Bond. Yeah, and gum so well. Yeah, that's a chalk for my markings on the wallpaper. And yeah, my scissors. Here's my scissors, yeah. And that's my tape rule for the measurements. Alright, please stay tuned. So I'm really sorry. I have to apologize from the view you're looking at. It looks like everywhere looks a bit rough, or let me say it's not so tidy. Actually, I didn't plan to record this video. I had already started. So on a second thought, I just felt like, oh, I could actually film this particular installation. So I'm really sorry if the background doesn't seem so nice. Please pardon me. Alright, so what am I trying to do here? I'm trying to actually apply the top on gum on the sides of the wallpaper, the wrong side of the wallpaper. I was actually so scared doing this because I felt like, oh, it takes a professional touch to actually get it, the measurements and all that. But trust me, I think I did a good job. You guys will judge me anyway, but at least let me appraise myself first. So I took a measurement of the wallpaper. I actually wanted to do it straight like from the beginning of the section of the paper that I wanted to use, but I changed my mind because it didn't stay on time, so I had to like measure out per yard in order for it to stay on the wall. So I'm trying to show you here, because from what you're seeing you can see I already started, so that's to tell you that I already started before I decided to film this particular content. So I just measured per yard for each portion of the wall that I wanted to apply it to. And that's like number 3. I think I already pasted 2 before now, so that's like number 3 that I'm trying to paste over there. Oh my man, these stuffs are not really easy as you think. Oh, and I think at least it's good that I actually did it myself, if for a beginner like me. I'm just trying to like apply a kind of pressure on it for it to stay well, so it doesn't fall off. That's me feeling so excited. I was feeling like a butterfly there. Oh my. Okay. So let's move to the next one. Oh. Please do not look at my face. And you can see me, what's it called now? Kind of sweaty. The tension was real. More like I was on an hot seat, but all is well. Okay, so I'm showing you here that I measured by yard, because 36 inches is equal to 1 yard. Sorry, the tape is showing the negative side, but that's 36 over there. So I tried measuring. I'm sorry, yeah, I didn't capture it so well. I think I later realized. That should be in the next slide, I think. I was just measuring 36 inches on both sides before I would cut. Okay, yeah, I think I finally realized I needed to bring down the camera. Sorry about that. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my video, please do well by subscribing. Trust me, I have a lot of beautiful content for you guys, and you wouldn't regret subscribing to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, you guys are the real MVPs. I do appreciate you for always coming back to watch my videos each time I upload content. Thank you so much, and I know that God has blessed you and will keep blessing you. Okay, Now I'm trying to cut it out. But it kind of appears like I'm using my left hand. I'm not a lefty. I think it's the position of the camera that makes it look that way. I'm actually using my right hand. I was using my right hand rather. Alright, so now it's time. I just wanted you guys to have a clearer view. I couldn't actually I did not believe I could actually do this thing. No. In fact, I doubted myself more. Let me not exaggerate. I was going to say 100 times, but no. I, I doubted myself actually, but I felt so excited doing it. Anyway, despite the tension that I had, I mean the pressure. Is it the pressure now, tension, whichever one. Okay. Okay, so while this is still going on, let's just have a brief gist. So far, I think I've had about 80 subscribers as at the time of recording this video, and I started this channel. That's like over a month ago. Um, you guys, please, would you just do me a favor by sharing my links? I appreciate those ones who have actually subscribed, and I appreciate the likes, the few likes that I get, and the watch views. But please, let's expand the horizon. Share my links on your status. I know you guys don't owe me anything, right? Yes, you're actually doing a lot. Like, you subscribing is something I do not take for granted, but please help me out. And I'm sorry, that view you saw just a while ago. My bed looks messy there. Sorry about that. I'm not a dirty girl. Please, prospective suitor, don't turn off. Oh, I beg. Sorry about that. I just wanted to do this thing, before arranging my bed. So, in case you see that view again, please do not turn off from my channel. Oh God. Okay. That's me trying to apply pressure for it to stay well so it doesn't fall out. Okay. Oh my, look at the wall. I think it's the water level. Um, Somehow it's beginning to show on the wall surface, and by the time I'm done with this, see me celebrating myself. By the time I'm done with this, trust me, you guys won't even believe that such a thing was actually at the back of the wallpaper. So please pardon whatever messy view you see. Alright, okay. Sorry about the shaky camera too. I need to point out all these defects too, because I know a lot of people, they always feel that whenever you have to post content, it has to be very perfect. But sometimes you got to be real. That's not to say that we should just record for the purpose of recording, no. But I'm so sorry. Like I said, I did not actually plan to what's it called, record this video. So it was on a second thought. So I ought to have made some necessary adjustments before starting, but it was after I actually finished that it occurred to me. I'm so sorry once again. Alright, so let's move on. Yeah, did I talk about the price of this wallpaper? Should I not? Okay. Well, it's not so expensive anyway. And the gum as well. Uh, Who's going to pay me now? I'll just pay myself. But really, you guys should try it out. If you have a messy wall in your room or anyway within the house, within your house, you can actually try out these things. Trust me, it works so well. You just need to be confident. All right. So we're trying to cut through. Okay, gently, gently, gently. Uh-oh, gently, gently, and here we go. Okay, so it's time to apply the gum. And trust me, after now, there are going to be some other DIY videos that I know you guys would actually enjoy. So, like I said, help me to make this a reality. Keep me on YouTube for long, guys. I need your subscription. Most importantly, give this video a thumbs up. And I also have other videos that I recorded before now. Can do me a favor by also watching those videos and drop your thoughts as well. Yeah, I'm actually using my hand because I tried getting something else to like apply on. I tried using something else to apply the gum on the wallpaper, but somehow I couldn't get anything convenient, so I just had to resort to using my fingers. I'm using my fingers, actually, not my hand. Whichever one. Fingers are part of the arms now. Oh gosh. Okay. You have to lock it tight so it doesn't dry out. Does it even dry out? I don't even know. Please, if you have ever used the top bond before, do you think it dries out? Probably when you expose it to moisture or air. Please do let me know in the comment section below. And so far, from what you can see right now, I think it's beginning to make sense. You guys should please drop your thoughts. Did I try? Uh-huh. I wish I'd actually show the preview of what the wall looks like before the installation of this wallpaper. But don't worry, it can only keep getting better. And I was going to say that what's it called now? I don't know whether this is actually 3D wallpaper because if you ask me, I can actually differentiate between them because it's my first time of getting one. I just went to the market and I asked for a 3D wallpaper and I was given this. Sorry, some business. I'm sorry, you're a business person here, but sometimes if you get to the market or if you go to the market and you don't know what exactly you want to buy, like you want to buy a particular thing, but you've never bought it before, and it comes with variation. Sometimes you don't know whether you actually give on the original one or the fake one. So I would like to know. Please, guys, can you just drop in the comment section? Is there any difference between a 3D wallpaper and the ordinary wallpaper? Because I add there's an ordinary one that's not 3D. Yes, that brings me to this gist I was going to talk about. Okay, yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my, like really, this excitement is not fake. Oh, yeah, what was that? Okay, yes. Hmm. See, as I don't want to say as a lady now, as a Nigerian, because really, you got to be what's it called now? You got to be very good with your negotiation skills. Oh. If I tell you that, I told you earlier that this is my first time of getting the wallpaper. I think I just saw it somewhere that it was being sold for a particular price, and I already had it in mind that okay, I will not get it for anything higher than this price. And what's it called now? That's how I got to one particular store. Although it was on an holiday, it was during the holiday period. I mean, this Muslim holiday period, the Tunawe. I actually got this wallpaper. So I got to this first store and they were like, oh, it's for this so price. So it's far higher than the price at which I saw it somewhere else. And I was like, why? Like, that's the price they sell it. Okay. All right, so I moved to the next store, and this one was like times two of where I was coming from. Like, what now? Was I like, okay, but I actually want to get 3D wallpaper that it's quite expensive. That even ordinary wallpaper sale, I can't even get it for that price that I said in my mind. I was almost like going to like, okay, probably the price at which I saw it previously was not the current price at the moment. I was almost going to buy it. And that's how I just like, okay, let me try another store and see if at all I'm going to get for a better price. And that was how I got to this particular store. and they also told me the same price I got in the first store that I visited. And I was like, oh no, this is the price I'm paying. And they were like, no, they can't sell for that price. And I just like, okay. And I took my leave. And as I was just leaving, they're like, okay, come and take it for that price. I'm like, wow. That's how that bought it for times three of the price I saw it though. But thanks be to God. Sometimes when you go to market, it's good to be what's it called? Is it insistent now? What language should I use? Like don't just see a particular product in a shop and just buy. Especially when you have an idea of the price, you know. At least we got to save some money. Oh, okay. Hope you guys will try this out by yourself. If you also intend to do such, do well to try it out. Trust me, you'll definitely get it right. All right. All right. I forgot to talk about the design I chose. Do you guys think I tried? Like, does it really catch your attention? Do let me know your what you feel about this in the comment section below. And like I said, I will not be able to share the full profile. I mean, the full installation because I don't want to bore you guys. So I hope you would stay back and watch the full profile at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching to this extent. Thank you, and please do not forget to subscribe, give it thumbs up if you like this video. Take care and bye.